What is up, YouTube? I am Clutch Marles and I'm back. And right now, I'm out here in the jungle. My mower done broke down on me last week. It's currently 5 p.m. Amazon was supposed to bring me a part to fix it. And they're not here yet. So, I'm out here just traveling through the outback, as they say in Australia, which is where I am going in just a couple weeks. But before then, we still got stuff to do. We have a side quest, as you would. And that side quest is I have this 2002 Ford Ranger. And I know what you guys are thinking. What's the 0 to 60 time on that Ford Ranger? And if you ask the truck, it says 0 to 60 eventually. Now this old girl is going to the Freedom Factory in October. I'm racing at the Cletus McFarland show, the Danger Ranger 9,000, 8,000, 7,000. I lose track of all these numbers. Y'all know. I don't pay attention. All I know is it's the Danger Ranger. We have a couple of Rangers, and I need this one to go fast. We can't be having a repeat of the Altima race. Now, the Altima race, I did take a 4-cylinder because I couldn't find anything else. When they said go, I could tell who had a 6. They had about 100 horsepower more. Now, this Ranger has a V6. It's got the 3.0. Now, they also came with a 4.0. According to Google, the 4.0 0 to 60 time is like 8 seconds. This one is between 9 and 10. So the 4.0 is faster by a second. But, I can't find a decent 4.0 that runs and drives. It's 2-wheel drive under $2,000. Like I'm balling on a budget here. Maybe we get this girl going, and then over the winter we engine swap to a 4.0. Now, 24 years ago and 217,000 miles ago, Google says this thing had a 9-second 0 to 60 time. I did a little drive around the yard, and I think we've lost some horsepower. So I think we need to do a baseline, do a test, 0 to 60, or like how fast I can go in 20 seconds. Because like I live out in the middle of nowhere. I don't have 10 miles of straight road downhill that we can get up to 60 possible. Like, hopefully this thing does 0 to 60 in like 12 seconds. That would, to me, 12 seconds 0 to 60 would be, it's gonna suck, but it's reasonable. It's doable. We can work with that. We can make it faster, because in the next couple days I got a big box of parts coming. Oil filter, spark plugs, all new wires. We're gonna flush the whole system, and then we're gonna do our 0 to 60 time. First we're gonna do a 0 to 60 time as is. We're gonna go through the system, do 0 to 60 time again, see if we've gained anything. Then we're gonna hit her with a cold air intake, and that should be quite a difference in 0 to 60 time. And then for the race, you got to take out like your headlights, tail lights. Like we'll strip her down and then do a base 0 to 60 time. Like this is gonna be like a Temu version of the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series. Like, we are getting a full-on containment style roll cage. I just picked up an aluminum racing seat. We're doing a window net, 5-point harness. Probably going to do a battery box in the cab. Like, this is going to be legit a Timu version of NASCAR. And it's probably 185 horsepower if I had to guess. I haven't looked that one up yet. Somebody take a time, Google it, and then come comment it down below. 2002 Ford Ranger 3.0 two-wheel drive. Let me know what kind of horsepower I am working with here. So here is a 1994 Ford Ranger. And the whole reason I bought it was because it's a V6, it was a stick shift, and I thought 3.0. So then I go buy this 2002 3.0. And I was like, I'm going to take this engine, we're going to put it in this truck. I'm going to have a running, driving, manual transmission V6. Well, according to Google, you can put that in here. You gotta have like the computer, which the previous owner cut. You have to swap the intake from here to that one, and pretty much all the parts here that you see that I'm missing, you have to take from this engine and put it on the newer one. Like all the accessories, the sensors, and that dog just ain't gonna hunt. And I know what you're thinking. Well, we could take this engine, all of this computer and whatnot, and throw it in here. That's a whole lot of work, and I really don't think they're gonna allow it, because you're gonna be able to tell that it wasn't. So, like, they want the engine that came in the truck pretty much in there. You can see that one's got a distributor. This one's got coil packs. Like, there's gonna be huge differences, and they're gonna be able to tell. So, as of right now, I am stuck with this gal. Now, if our 0 to 60 times like 3 minutes, we might have to make a change. We might have to sell both of these and just start over. Go fast. That's the plan. I did not paint this on there. Y'all have seen my paint jobs. It's a little bit better than this. Go fast, eat. I think they were gonna write bass, like the fish. Looks like that says NOS. I've looked at this truck. There is 0 nitrous anywhere on it, but that might come in handy if we can get away with it. Was really wanting an extended cab, just so that when I put the roll cage in, we got a little bit more room behind the seat. But, you know, sometimes life's not fair, and you gotta work with what you got. Because I don't have the right car battery, the hood doesn't close all the way. So in case we do hit 88 miles an hour or 60, at least it's not gonna block my view. We got her tied down right there to the windshield wiper. You ready, Mr. Duck? Let's see what this does. She's just a little cold-natured. Here we go. Okay, I can't see shit out of this thing, but here we go. So, this Ranger is a POS. Piece of something. Now, I don't want another situation like I had with the Altima where, oh, it runs and drives, it's good enough. I think we need a third Ranger, and we use these two for parts, then send them down the road, because the Altima race, I got lapped like 2 or 3 times. Now granted, I still went from 38th to 20th, and you know, they went from like 45 cars to 25 left in the race. I don't want to get lapped a lot. I don't want to be the slowest one there. So I think we need some help. So yeah, if you haven't yet, hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, because I'm going to the Freedom Factory and I'm bringing y'all with me, and we're taking a Ford Ranger, probably not one of those two, but we are racing in the Danger Ranger 9 something. Here we go.